Hi, third grade families. I am making this video to help you, to assist you in getting into the PowerSchool website, being able to check your child's grades, and having your child go to PowerSchool. So the computer's not working for you to see my face, but that's okay with me. So this is how you would do it. You'd go to dansville.org, Aggie Schools to elementary, and then you would go down to Parent Portal. PowerSchool, and then your child's code. It's your child's email without the @students.dansville.org. So it is, I'm going to use an example student, so you put just the code for their email, but not the students.dansville.org. So, and then the password is learn123, capital L, and then it will take you into PowerSchool. And again, this is useful for you to check grades, check if your child's missing any work, and so on. If you go down, you will see that it says Pearson Courses. So Pearson Courses is where your child can access all of the all the Reading Street materials that they will find useful for the lessons that I'm doing each week. It'll help your child to be able to watch videos, be able to practice vocabulary skills, and so on. So once you're here, you click on the Savvas Realize and then the Browse, and you can choose your background. Your child can choose your background before you get to this point as well. And then Unit 1. So the only difficult part is for you to know which unit we're on and which week we're on and which day. So there's 5 days. So Monday would be day 1, Tuesday day 2, and so on. So today is Monday. I'm recording this for a story called Kumak's Fish. And what's nice about this is that your child can access the student online edition of their Reading Street book. If you're not home and they need to read something out of the book, you can access it here. This stuff, don't worry about that stuff, but your child can explore it if you want to. Now, Mondays are always really nice to watch the video for the comprehension skill. And then sometimes in small group, I'll have your child click on the decodable reader. It is in your pack for distribution day today, but sometimes it won't be. So your child will have to access the decodable reader. On Tuesdays is vocabulary. We review vocabulary, and what's really nice, your child can later go on and play vocabulary games and practice the vocabulary words, because eventually on Fridays we'll have quizzes over those words. So this is really nice. Your child can click on any of these and play a fun game. And then on Wednesdays we always review a sentence structure. We always review a language skill. So on Wednesday you will see a video for sentences. So that's kind of a nice one, just again to reinforce the skill and to help out to understand the skill. So that's really nice. So again, you can't really hurt the program, so play around with it, and I'm hoping through access for it, you will be able to get the Friday test that I assigned. So you'll find out about those later. But for now, just have your child explore. This was the first week of school, second week of school, or second week that we had Reading Street. And then, of course, this is our third week for Reading Street, so it's Kumak's Fish. So anyway, just have your child explore around a little bit and have them, just read a story online. It'll read it to you. So it's really fun. Just have them explore and have a good time. Thanks for watching. Take care.